In this video, you will learn BingX to bank account money withdrawal guide. We will log in, look into your BingX account, open the BingX app or website and sign in with your registered email or password. Navigate to the wallet section. From dashboard, go to wallet or assets to view your available balance you want to withdraw. Select the withdrawal. Click on the withdrawal button to initiate the transfer process. Choose your bank transfer and withdrawal method. Select bank account or bank transfer from the available withdrawal options. Enter bank account details and amount. Provide your bank account information. Include account number, routing details and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Confirm and complete your withdrawal. Review the transaction details, including any fees. Then confirm the process to withdraw. Your funds should reach your bank account according to the processing time specified by BingX. Now you know. Now you know BingX to bank account money withdrawal tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.